To process an artwork approval in DecoNetwork Business Hub, come into the Processing Artwork Approval section, select the order that you need to do the artwork approval for, and here you're going to download the original or the color mapped file. Now, after you download the file, you're going to then vectorize it, digitize it, do whatever you need, and then you're going to upload the final version. But if the file is just good to go out of the bat, you downloaded it, you double checked it in Photoshop or Illustrator, you can simply just mark it as approved. I don't need to re-upload the file. If you're going to be wanting to attach additional files, so maybe we're going to screen print this. Well, we're going to download the bitmap, we're going to upload a vector, but then we want to upload our color separated film. I can add that in the notes, or it's better to come on this gear and attach the files here and create any additional line item notes that you might need. Once you've uploaded your artwork, do know that you can send it to the customer for approval. So it's very common for an embroidery job, for example, we're going to upload that file, send it to the customer, they're going to get an email to then view the artwork approval and then approve or reject it. If it's a print, maybe you don't want to involve the customer. Maybe you just know, hey, we went from a bitmap to a nice sharp vector. It looks good. You can bypass the customer by simply marking the artwork approval as approved, which is then giving the thumbs up that this job is ready to go from a production standpoint for the artwork.